Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm drawing Mia Amabile, a rather popular Instagram and fashion model. Her Instagram is @MiaAmabile and she has an impressive 258,000 followers. She's presumably from the US, as her Instagram bio says that she's from Los Angeles, and most of her pictures also seem to be taken there. To my knowledge, Los Angeles is home to a large number of Instagram models, so you can certainly expect me to draw more models from LA in the upcoming videos. The reason I decided to draw her today is not only because she's of course very beautiful, but also because the pose she strikes on this picture seemed perfect to me and lends itself very well to art making. There is something very artistic about this angle and the expression on her face, which I believe will make for a beautiful portrait. Furthermore, as you can see in my previous videos, I haven't been drawing a lot of blonde girls lately, and I plan on changing that since I want to include more portraits of blonde models in my portfolio. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.